Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about how to attract, engage, and retain clients to your veterinary hospital using digital marketing. My name is Brandon Brashear. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. Today's episode, we're going to talk, it's a quick in-between episode. We're talking about some tips and tricks that you can use to fill the schedule if you're ever concerned that it's getting a little bit slower. Maybe there's holes in the schedule and you need to fill them quickly. So really going to be just practical and super helpful. And I use this often for my clients that I run ads for. So it's, I think, a really good strategy to keep in mind because you can use this if you need it. So before we begin, though, I just want to make sure, if you're not a member of the Facebook group, the Veterinary Marketing Nerds, be sure to join over there. And if you enjoy this podcast, especially if you're listening on Spotify, they just recently released ratings and reviews. If you could leave me an honest review for the podcast, I would really appreciate it. Let's jump into today's episode. So with Google Ads, the thing that I love most about Google Ads is that it is immediate in terms of being able to make adjustments, turn on ads, turn off ads, increase budgets. You can pretty quickly see results. Now, there are a lot of searches that are happening, especially if you have availability and opening in your schedule, that you can start targeting people that are searching only for things like same-day appointments or walk-in appointments or a vet with appointments available today. So if you have these openings, or if you're looking to fill same day or same week openings, you need to make sure and be targeting those searches. But above and beyond that, something that's really practical and useful is that you can adjust the ad schedule where you're running your ads. So if you have certain days of the week that are always busy, you can turn off or turn down ads on those days of the week. If you have certain times of the day that are always busy, let's say your mornings are crazy, your afternoons are not as busy, you can actually add the schedule so that the first half of the day is prioritized less than the second half of the day. So those simple tips really make a big improvement in terms of what you can be doing, what you can be targeting, because you're able to allocate that ad spend in times that you actually need it. If you do have appointments available in the week, make sure that you're adding that into the copy of your ads, or if you are targeting people that are looking for same-day type of appointments, make sure that you're mentioning that in the ads themselves, because that's really, really important. So I hope this was helpful. If you need help with your Google Ads, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you're running ads, you're just not sure if they're working properly, if you want to make adjustments to them, reach out. I'm happy to help. I run ads for lots of clients and would love to help you with that as well. But again, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day, everyone.